love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently moisturizing my hair. I just washed it not too long ago. I'm just moisturizing so I can blow dry. Or should I blow dry first and then moisturize? I don't know. I'm just moisturizing it right now and I'm just using the LOC method. So I'm using like a leave-in, some oil, and I'm using this as a cream. It's the daily moisturizer from Cantu. And after that, I'm gonna comb my hair. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'll figure something out. Maybe something really quick, blow dry, comb it really quick, and then get on with the day. I have a few things that I need to do today, including meal prep. Like always, it is Sunday today, so I need to do my meal prep for the week, just so I'm not spending the week cooking and stuff. But I have no idea at all when I'm gonna cook, so I need to also figure that out, go to the grocery store and all that extra stuff. I also need to finish editing a video. I have a haul going out today, so I need to finish edit that haul. I started it last night, so not much left for me to edit, just a little bit of fine-tuning, which shouldn't take long anyway. And I want to bake some cookies today as well, so right after I'm done, I'm gonna bake some cookies and I have some cleaning to do. Whew, sounds like a lot, but I'm trying to just get through it, get through as much as I can today without feeling too tired or burnout, because that's how sis has been feeling lately with this 9-to-5 job. I don't even want to talk about it, but it makes a girl really tired, really tired. But anyways, I'm just once I done twist this, I think I'm gonna come back with my style my hair, because this is not a look. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, style it, and then I'll come back and just get on with the rest of the day, so I look a bit more presentable. I want to show you guys what I'm doing with my hair. So basically I want to do like a bun, but because I have so much hair, I'm doing this at the front so the bun is easier to do at the back. And it's basically like some crisscross with elastic band. My hair is quite thick, so it doesn't really look like how I want it to look, but it's not bad. And I just have like these 2 more parts left, and then I just catch up the back. So that's what I'm doing.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I'm done doing my hair. I'm kind of tied down a little bit, so it's like a little bit neater. I removed the tie because I'm going to do some supermarket shopping, to do some food shopping. So once I come back, I think I'm just gonna put it on again. But I really like it, and it makes my hair so much easier to put up. Let me show you the back. I haven't seen the back, well, you guys are gonna see it before me. I'm probably gonna have to put like a mirror. It's not bad. I didn't put that much gel at the back because I don't want it to have too much build up, because this is probably gonna serve me for the week. But I do like it, and yeah, it's a quick little hairstyle for though. Anyways, let me go to the grocery store. I'm gonna pick up like a few bits, something to eat today. I don't even know what I'm gonna for eat today. Maybe salmon, I don't know, some fish, I don't know. I'll see once I go to the grocery store how I'm gonna feel. But this is the hairstyle for now. Let me know what you guys think. So I am back from the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm just gonna pick random stuff out of the bag. I got some rocket. I got some hot cross buns. I'm gonna have some of this now with some cheese because I haven't had anything all day. I just got some yogurt. I got some crisps. I got some ham so I can use this to make sandwiches for lunch. Some cheese. I always have like the what you call that? The onion and chive one, but I never have it, so I just have this one. And I'm just gonna use this to make some sandwiches. Anyway, so I'm gonna just get some butter because I'm gonna bake. I don't even know if this is the one that's not salted. Is it? I don't know, but I'm gonna use this to do my bakings. That bag is empty. I got some sugar. It's so funny because the other day I have some sugar. I'm sugar because I said I don't use it, so let me throw it away. But I got some more just so I can use that one to bake. So I'll just save that one. And for dinner today, I got some bangers and mash. So I've just got some sausage, ice cream, so I can eat with my cookie. I'll get one of this. They didn't have the jalapeno ones. I quite like it, so I'll just get one of that. Ketch. They didn't have the milky chocolate, the milk chocolate, so I got like just dark chocolate chip. So hopefully this tastes good in a cookie. You know, sometimes dark chocolate can have like that bitter taste, but hopefully the one that tastes good, and we'll just get some Fanta. I don't know why, but I just feel for the Fanta, so I get the Fanta. And that's all I picked up from the grocery store. Now I'm gonna take a pack out them something here and probably start on my baking. And probably put the sausage them in the oven. How long this will take for cook? Okay, 12 to 15 minutes. That's not bad. So I really need to do this right now. So I'm just gonna focus on the baking and then eat something for lunch. I am done having lunch, and I'm going to let me put it here. I'm going to start baking my cookies. I'm following this recipe that I found online. Where is it? I literally just type in chocolate chip cookies, but I just want the measurements. I don't think it will be hard to make. How I want my cookie, I don't want it to be crunchy. I want it to be really soft and nice. I hate it when websites give you a recipe and they chat like a lot of shit. Like, why are you saying so much? Just give me step-by-step ingredients and what to do, and don't tell me so much. So we're gonna need some butter, which I have here. Butter. I got butter in the fridge as well, but this one is quite salted. I'm gonna use this one as well. Butter, flour. I have flour here, some plain flour, brown sugar, white sugar. I have white sugar here. I have brown sugar that I bought. And of course we're gonna need the chocolate chip. We're gonna need some salt. Got the salt here. We got the chocolate chips. And that is basically what I need. And the baking powder. Got the baking powder here, and I'm gonna get my measuring cup so I can get the measurements right. Because we want it to be nice. These are my measuring cups. I just get these off Amazon. And I'm gonna use to mix it in this bowl like a wooden spoon. I kind of have an idea how to do this. I just need the correct measurements and I'm good. Okay, oh, I'm gonna need some eggs as well for sure. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 eggs. 2 large eggs. I think these are large eggs. We got 2 eggs here. I should probably organize stuff a little bit better. Okay, so I need vanilla extract. I think it's saw about vanilla extract the other day. Yeah. Vanilla extract, and I think this is basically all that I need is here. So there's a preheat oven. In the bowl, in a separate bowl, mix the flour, the baking soda, salt. I'm gonna put it in this bowl. So for the flour, so in a separate bowl, mix the flour, baking soda. Baking soda? Why baking soda? Baking soda? I'm sure. I'm gonna search for another recipe. Anyways, guys, I don't want to be here rambling. I'm gonna search for like another recipe because I don't understand why they tell me baking soda. Maybe baking soda forgot in it, but I don't like how that sounds.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single time we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
This tastes good. I'm gonna let that sit in the refrigerator. In the fridge. For 1 hour. And then I come back and bake it. I don't know if I should cover it with some paper and some film film. Should I cover it or should I just put it like a plate over it or something? I don't know. Should I leave it open? Let's cover it. I'm gonna let that sit in there while I'm gonna clean the rest of the place because when you're baking it's literally so much mess. But I'm gonna let that sit. I'm so excited. I'm done. I just finished just straightening up my room. So I just vacuum and stuff. Literally I'm so tired. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else for the day but cook and finish edit this video. Like I said, I'm almost finished. I just need to do some fine-tuning, so this shouldn't take me more than 30 minutes to just complete and upload. And yeah, I'm just gonna rest and chill for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna start cooking dinner like after 6 because the rest of the stuff that I bought, I'm gonna probably do like mackerel and rice, and that I'm just gonna cook it when I'm gonna eat it. And then today I'm gonna do the bangers and the mash. So yeah, that will serve me for today and tomorrow, and then tomorrow evening we can just cook the mackerel and rice. But that's just myself. So I'm just gonna edit this video and then just chill for the rest of the day. And I think when I'm finished I'm gonna I think when I'm finished, I'm gonna start baking the cookies. I think it might be ready. I didn't really time it, but I think it's about 1 hour already.
I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Let me show you guys what they're looking like. They're not the perfect cookie shape, and I definitely do them too big, but they're not bad. For my first time, they're not bad at all. I probably could have put some more chocolate chip on top, but it's okay. I really do like the butter for this. It tastes really good. I don't know if you should be eating this like that if it's not cooked, but so nice. I want to try one of the cookies. Definitely want more chocolate chip. I don't know if it tastes like cookies, but it has a nice taste. But it doesn't taste like cookies. I think it wants some more like chocolate chips tonight. But it's nice. So I am done editing. I'm loading the video now. I'm done loading the video so I can upload it on YouTube. My cookies are done baking. I don't know what them shape like. Them look like potatoes. But it doesn't taste bad. It just doesn't taste like cookies. So I need to master the taste. But it can eat, you know, it's still edible. So I'm gonna have it with some vanilla ice cream later. I'm so tired now though. What I'm gonna do is probably rest for like the next hour or so, and then we'll probably make some dinner. Not really special for dinner today. I'm just gonna do the sausage and some mash. Here they call it bangers and mash. And then I'm gonna do some vegetable on the side. Unfortunately, tomorrow is, you know, I have to go back at the 9 to 5 tomorrow. So I have to make sure some rest up so I'm not too tired tomorrow, you know. But the video are almost done anyway, and it not gonna take too long for upload on YouTube. Fingers crossed. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, enjoy spending a little day with me. And if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And if you want more vlogs, I'm really trying to vlog as much as I can. I do a 9 to 5, so I can only vlog like on the weekend or if I'm off. I haven't been off for a while, which I probably need to take some time out because this is... But anyways, let me know if you not enjoyed the vlog, and if you haven't already, follow me over my Instagram because sometimes I will post on my stories there if I'm gonna vlog here. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.